Get him, Lil. You got one? There's more. Find some more.
Get it. Get it. Lily, look at the tree. Look at the tree, Lily. Look at the tree. Look down. Look down. Lily, look at the tree. Lily, look at the tree. Oh, Johnny, look at here. Look, Johnny.
You got one?
John Michael.
Go get him, Lil. Go get all your eggs.
Johnny. John Michael. Look at all these eggs over here.
Pick him up, Lily.
Oh, I'm going to go over there.
You find any more? You see any more?
Oreos in his bucket threw the egg on the ground.
Wait, let's watch him.
Open it.
Open
it in
it,
your
put the candy, and throw the egg away. Uh-oh. Lily's learning it too.
Oh, no.
Oh, here we go. Come on, kids, there's more eggs. Lily, there's more eggs. Look.
Pick up the eggs and then look later.
Hot dog?
That's because Johnny stepped on an egg and it cracked and he realized there was something in it.
Come on, Lil.
Pick it and put it in your basket. Put it in your basket. There. See?
Lily,
You had to shake it.
Lily, look what I got.
No, where's your bucket?
Go put it in your bucket. Hurry, here, take this.
Oh,
Lily,
2-year-old.
Put that in your bucket. Let's find more eggs. Lily, look. Come on.
Get more eggs.
Put it in there.
Say thank you.
Get another one.
There's so many eggs.
All right.